In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app. Code Caffeine, keep screen on. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Hit OK in the pop-up and go into Tab menu to edit it. In order to do that, use this pen at the top right corner. Select Edit over here. And then look for New Caffeine shortcut at the bottom. Now hold it and drag it to your current ones. Go back. Hit Done at the top right corner. And tap on your new shortcut. Oh, sorry, it was a misclick. Then use gray switcher next to Allow Permission. Go back and tap on your shortcut one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!